Hello YouTube, Augie Contreras here. I'm just doing an unboxing video for my man hunting Southwest Ohio. He sent me a giveaway prize. Heck yeah, he's the man. Alright, let's see what we got. I already cut it open. I know what's in there. Oh yeah, let's see what this is. Thanks for your support. I'm sorry for the delay getting things to you. Rick from Southwest Ohio. P.S. I threw in a bonus. Oh, my man Rick threw in a bonus. Oh, it had to be that Barber dime right there. All right, because the giveaway was for the half and the quarter, which was freaking awesome. That dime makes it even more awesome. And that sticker, ooh, I know where that's going to go. It's going to go in my safe. Heck yeah. Put it right in front. All right, my man Rick. Here's the Barber half. Heck yeah. Hold on, let me see what it is. Okay, there we go. 1908. Barber half. Oh, mint mark. Oh man, I only got like 2 of these. Heck yeah, they're sweet. In fact, I found one cornrow hunting. But this is nice too. I like it. 19080. And the Barber quarter, 1895. Philadelphia. Oh man. I think I only got one more of the Barber quarter in my safe. Yeah. This is the extra one he sent me. My man Rick, Southwest hunting Southwest Ohio. 1892. Man. Oh, that is beautiful. $18.92 Barber dime. Man. That's my collection. Thank you so much, hunting Southwest Ohio, Rick. That is an awesome trio. An awesome trio. Okay, I'll be putting you back in my videos as soon as I hit something. I got skunked 5 boxes this week. Yep. 5 boxes. March 11th. I got skunked 5 boxes. Today is March 12th, 2022. Thank you, hunting Southwest Ohio. Rick, you're an awesome. If you ain't subscribed to him, please do. He's the man of the times. He goes through a lot of stuff. I like his videos. Wish I could do something like that. Okay, YouTube. Have a great day and happy hunting. Thank you, Rick.